Emiliana Designs, where I help YouTubers and creatives get spiritually and digitally aligned with their creative side through business graphics, YouTube graphics, and Procreate illustrations. Hey, what's up with Pop Y'all? It's your girl Emiliana Designs. If my voice sounds funny, it's because my nose is a little stuffed. So just work with me on this voiceover, you guys. So, this is my digital planner. If you guys aren't up to speed on what a digital planner is all about, I do have a playlist for you guys to get you started on, planning with a digital planner. A lot of us use our digital planners because we're not wasting paper. It's cost effective. You don't have to carry a heavy load of things. And you can like always just easily grab your iPad and put it in your bag and you have your planner. Like a lot of us take our iPads while we travel and you'll have your planner as well at the same time, right? So, what I'm showing you guys here, the planner that I have, I love my planner. I bought it for 11.26. So the Etsy seller's name is Paper Scribbles Co. on Etsy, and it's an undated planner. This planner has everything you could possibly be looking for. Everything you could possibly be looking for. A lot of people on like Facebook groups, our digital planner Facebook groups are the people who, want to start digital planning. A lot of them ask for like specific types of planners, you guys. This planner has so many different pages. It's just lovely. It's so lovely because it has your habit tracker. It has your, it does have your regular month by month pages. It also has like a monthly breakdown pages to where you can evaluate your months. It also has a budget planner. It has an expense tracker. Um y'all, it has everything. Like this planner is everything. So once again, the seller is Paper Scribbles Co. on Etsy. So this page in the planner is the weekly outline where you don't have like the boxes of the calendar, but you have like little lines where you can write on what you plan to do that day. It's kind of like listing, but you're listing under that day. And then I'm adding my digital stickers instead of using the big calendar box because I don't know, for me personally, the big calendar boxes, it's not helpful because you can only write so much or put a sticker in those calendar boxes. So I like to use this instead. It's super easy. And by the way, if you guys are wondering about the stickers that I am using, these are stickers that I have personally created. They're actually on pre-order right now. You guys can get them on pre-order. So with the pre-order, you're signing up to receive the product on its release date, which is October the 14th. You will not be charged the full amount until the release date. So right now you're just signing up to get this item. One thing that I have learned on Goodnotes, you guys, you don't have to zoom all the way into your planner to write on it. You guys, do you see that pink pen? Right to the left of that pink pen, there's a letter A with a blue box around it. This is like a magnifying tool that you can use to write easily. So, you guys, if you'd like to be notified on when the digital stickers will be released, when other products are going to be released, if you want free coloring pages, you want to know the special discounts and stuff like that, all you guys have to do is visit my website, which is gumroad.com/Emiliana Designs. That's together, Emiliana Designs. And enter in your email to join the newsletter, you guys. Um, Honestly, for me, the most I'm gonna email you guys in a month is maybe twice, but most likely it's just gonna be once. I'm not gonna be spamming your email. Digital planning questions, let me know. And also, I meant to mention that pre-order I was talking about with the stickers, that's also going to include a tutorial, how to open them up from the file and how to insert them on your planner. And honestly, all I know is Goodnotes. So if you use like Notably or some other kind of app, I'm not an expert on that. I just know Goodnotes, okay, you guys? So, you guys, don't be a stranger. Follow me on Instagram and shop gumroad.com/Emiliana Designs. I see you on my next one. It's your girl, Emiliana Designs.
Accept who you are and stand by your own definition of beauty. The infamous promo pic. Live life with intention and execution. It'll make your soul dance. And it has makeup, because you know how makeup, there's like concealer. So it says, don't conceal anything. Get ready for transformation. I love that.